Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on a PC with Assetto Corsa. First, it is important to understand that this wheel was designed only for Xbox consoles. That means your PC will not detect it properly without extra help. To fix this, we will use a compatibility tool. Start by making sure the wheel is not plugged into your computer. This is important for the setup process. Next, go to GitHub and download an Xbox wheel compatibility tool. This tool acts like a bridge between your wheel and your PC. Once the download is complete, install the software by following the on-screen steps. Before you go, keep in mind that third-party tools like this are not officially supported. In some cases, they may break certain rules or be detected as a cheat by some games or platforms. Because of that, it is recommended to only use this method for offline gameplay or avoid them entirely. After installation, plug the USB cable of the wheel into your PC. Give your system a few seconds to detect it. If everything works correctly, Windows will recognize the wheel as an Xbox controller. This is exactly what we want. Now open Assetto Corsa. If you have Content Manager, you can use it for an easier setup, but the default launcher works fine too. Go to Settings, then Controls. You will need to assign each input manually. Click on Steering and turn the wheel fully left or right. Then click Throttle and press the accelerator pedal. Do the same for the brake pedal. Continue this process for any other controls you want to use. Finally, go to Advanced Settings and set the degrees of rotation to around 240 or 270. This matches the physical limit of the wheel and improves control. Now your wheel should be ready to use in the game. Thanks for watching.